Welcome to the American Dream. I'm your host, Susan Pittser, and today we're in Tulsa, Oklahoma. Not only are we in Tulsa, we're in the center of the universe. And the cool thing about the center of the universe, it's an acoustic anomaly where you hear the echoes of your voice coming out when you stand in the middle of this circle. But the people outside the circle do not hear this. So it's a really cool place to visit if you make it to downtown Tulsa. And behind me here is the tallest skyscraper in Tulsa. It was also designed by the same architect that designed the World Trade Center Twin Towers in New York City. We have a lot in store for you today. We're going to check out one of the coolest and historic hotels in downtown Tulsa. You might have even seen it recently on a TV show. Come with me and let's see if you recognize it. We're here outside the MAYO Hotel, this iconic hotel full of rich history and beautiful architecture. We're gonna step inside and talk to Macy, the owner, so she can tell us more about it. Hello, Macy. Thank you for having us in today and being with us. I wanted to see if you could share some of the history about your beautiful hotel.
Well, welcome to the MAYO Hotel. We're glad to have you here today. As many people know, the MAYO Hotel is very historic. There are so many special things about the MAYO, not just its beautiful architecture. The MAYO opened in 1925 and housed celebrities such as Elvis Presley, J. Paul Getty, JFK. It closed its doors in the 80s. And after a historic renovation that began in 2007, we reopened the doors in 2009. We have 102 hotel rooms now, 76 residences. You can actually live above a luxury hotel in Tulsa.
How cool would that be?
And we have over 20,000 square feet of event and meeting space. So I'm excited to give you all a tour today. So this is one of our MAYO suites. Very comfortable, very spacious, and we have great views of the Tulsa skyline and the Arkansas River from all of our hotel rooms. And as you know or might have heard, we were just recently on the Tulsa King, and a lot of people have been calling and saying, oh, the MAYO Hotel really does exist. Yes. So for all of those wondering, we invite you to come stay in one of our spacious MAYO suites.
Yes, it's a beautiful hotel.
And would you like to go check out the Crystal Ballroom now, the iconic ballroom?
Yes, I'd love to see it.
Okay. So this is our iconic Crystal Ballroom on the 16th floor of the MAYO Hotel.
This is so beautiful.
Space was in the worst condition when we started the renovation in 2007. So a lot of time and effort went in to restore the Crystal Ballroom and bring it back to its original glory. Crystal chandeliers are obviously where the MAYO got its name, the Crystal Ballroom, and these chandeliers are the original. They've been restored. And the crystal or the terrazzo floors are original as well. They've been restored to look just like they did back in 1925, and all the beautiful detail.
Fabulous room. I'm just imagining if the walls could only talk.
Well, speaking of that, we do have a museum in the MAYO. It has artifacts from Oklahoma's history and specifically the MAYOs. We have a lot of very interesting photos of when Elvis Presley stayed here. He actually slept in the Penthouse, which is now our rooftop bar and lounge. We're open Wednesday through Saturday evenings. We also have live music up here. It's a great space to come and hang out and enjoy the views. And the sunsets, beautiful Oklahoma sunsets up here.
Amazing views of
the
sunset.
Yes, and a lot of space up here as well.
Yes.
But thank you so much for coming today and checking out the MAYO and the one and only historic MAYO Hotel in Tulsa, Oklahoma.
Appreciate you showing us around. I loved it. And thank you so much for watching and joining us on the American Dream. I'm your host, Susan Pittser. Join us next time.